Hello and welcome to Storeino. Today we will see how we can add a supplier to our store to make it easy for us to track our products from that supplier. So go and click on products and you will see suppliers. Click on it. You will see that I don't have no supplier. Click on new supplier and you will just need to fill some simple information. For example, the name of the supplier. Let's see, Storeino drop chip, for example. Then the company here, you can put any company name, for example, Storeino, and a phone number like this. Then the address of your supplier. You can put whatever you like here, it's just a test. Then select your country and select your province like this and the city. After you complete filling the information, click on confirm. Now you will see that we have been added a supplier. If you go back, click on suppliers, you will see that we have added this supplier with these settings right here. If you go, for example, to products and edit or update any product here, in the general tab you will see supplier. Now you can select the supplier Storeino drumship for a product like this and click on confirm. That's it for this video. See you on the next video.